If you make a mistake signing up for Medicare, it could cost you a penalty fee that you have to pay every month for the rest of your life. But getting enrolled correctly is actually incredibly simple if you follow the right steps. In this video, I will show you exactly how to sign up for Medicare step by step. By the end, you will know when to enroll, how to sign up, what details you need, and exactly what to do after your card arrives. Let's get started. Step 1. Find out if you're already enrolled. This surprises a lot of people. You might not need to sign up at all. If you're already receiving Social Security retirement benefits before you turn 65, Medicare will usually enroll you automatically. Your Medicare card will just show up in your mailbox, and your coverage will start on day 1 of your birthday month. If that is you, congratulations! Most of the work is already done. But if you're not receiving Social Security benefits yet, you must actively sign up yourself. That's where the next steps come in. Step 2. Lock in your enrollment window. You get a 7-month window called the Initial Enrollment Period. It starts 3 months before the month you turn 65, includes your birthday month, and ends 3 months after. For example, if your birthday is in October, your window runs from July through January. Sign up early to avoid processing delays and have peace of mind. Step 3. Decide if you need Part B right now. If you're fully retired, you'll want to enroll in both Part A and Part B together. But if you're still working and have health insurance through a large employer, you might be able to delay Part B. Be careful here, as the wrong choice can trigger lifetime penalties or leave you without health insurance. If you're working, always verify with the HR department how your employer group plan coordinates with Medicare before you make a move. Step 4. Sign up through Social Security. Now for the actual enrollment. Even though it's Medicare, the application is handled by the Social Security Administration. The absolute easiest way to enroll is online. Go to ssa.gov/Medicare. The online form takes most people just 20 to 30 minutes. You'll need basic details such as your Social Security number, your date of birth, your place of birth, and your contact info. If you prefer to speak with a human, you can call Social Security at 1-800-772-1213. Representatives are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you worked for a railroad, call the Railroad Retirement Board at 1-877-772-5772. You can also apply in person at a local office by finding the nearest location at ssa.gov/locator. Once approved, your red, white, and blue Medicare card will arrive by mail. Step 5. Gather your personal health profile. You're not done yet. Original Medicare is just the foundation. Before you look at any private insurance options, take 15 minutes to write a list that includes every doctor you see regularly, any specialists you visit, your preferred hospitals, all prescription medications and dosages, your preferred pharmacy. Having this information ready before you shop will save you hours of frustration and prevent you from picking the wrong plan. Step 6. Choose your path. Next, you have to decide how you want to receive your benefits because Original Medicare alone has gaps. Option 1 is choosing a Medicare Advantage plan, which combines everything into a network. Option 2 is keeping Original Medicare and adding a Medicare Supplement plan plus a standalone Part D prescription drug plan. As you look at these paths, focus closely on your total monthly costs, drug coverage, and doctor and hospital networks, and any extra benefits like dental or vision. Let's quickly recap. Step 1. Check if you're already enrolled. Step 2. Know your 7-month window. Step 3. Decide if you can delay Part B. Step 4. Apply online at ssa.gov. Step 5. List your doctors and medications. Step 6. Choose your coverage path. Follow those steps and you'll be miles ahead of everyone else turning 65 this year. If this video made Medicare a little easier to understand, subscribe for more simple Medicare for Beginners guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.